Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you through the steps to create a keyboard shortcut for Microsoft Copilot. For today's demo I will be using an Asus 2023 ROG Zephyrus G14 laptop. But this process should be similar on other machines which support G-Helper. Before we begin, ensure that Armory Crate is uninstalled and G-Helper is installed on your system. G-Helper is the key tool that will enable us to remap our keys effectively. Let's dive in and get started. First step, open G-Helper and navigate to the laptop keyboard section, then click on Extra. An Extra Settings dialog will appear alongside the main G-Helper screen. Next, focus on the key bindings section within this dialog. Here, you'll find the shortcuts that G-Helper has preset for your M1, M4 keys. For our purposes, I'll be remapping the M4 key, which is currently set to open G-Helper, to launch Copilot instead.
Next to the key you wish to assign to Copilot, click on the drop-down menu and select Custom. To the right of the drop-down, you'll see an Action text field. This is where you'll input the command to activate Copilot. Enter the following shown on your screen. I've included this command in the comment section for your convenience to copy and paste. And that's a wrap. You can now close G-Helper. Rest assured, clicking the Close button at the top right corner will save all your changes. Go on, give that newly mapped button a press. Microsoft Copilot is now effortlessly accessible with just one keystroke. Enjoy this newfound convenience right at your fingertips. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you, everyone, for watching.